Welcome to Aman Babu tutorial, a complete solution for your study. आजको यस भिडियोमा हामी कक्षा 5 विषय अंग्रेजी युनिट 11 को रिडिङ टु मेलिन्डा स्नोम्यान को कम्प्लिट एक्सरसाइज गर्नेछौँ। यस भिडियोमा हामी रिडिङ, राइटिङ, स्पिकिङ, ग्रामर सबै गर्नेछौँ। भिडियो सुरु गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि र सानो रिक्वेस्ट, भिडियो राम्रो लाग्यो भने लाइक गरिदिनु होला, साथै च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरेर बेल आइकन थिचिदिनु होला। अब हामी भिडियो सुरु गरौँ। रिडिङ 2, लुक एट द पिक्चर एन्ड गेस द एन्सर टु दिस क्वेशन्स। क्वेशन रहेको छ नम्बर ए, what do you see in the picture? Answer, I see a snowman in the picture. Number B, does a snowman remain unmilked inside a house? Why? Answer, yes, a snowman remain unmilked inside a house because they did not get sunlight. Question number A, find the word from the poem that rhyme with the words in the box and read both of them together. Nose, यस्तै रेमिङ अर्डर लेख्नु छ। नोज को टोज, हैट को हैट, नोट को थ्रोट, गिली को सी, क्राइड को आउटसाइड। एउटा एउटा लेख्नु थियो, त्यही भएर एउटा एउटा लेख्दैछु। नम्बर बी, मैच द वर्ड on the left with the meaning with their meanings on the right. और लेफ्ट र राइट सँग म्याच गर्नु छ। नम्बर ए, स्नोम्यान, a figure like a person made out of snow. At, to touch somebody something gently. Number C, favorite, something you like the most. Number D, proud, feeling happy about something you have done. Rush. Number E, rush, to go or run very quickly. Number C, write whether the statement are true or false. Number A, the snowman wear rubber boots. True. Number B, Melinda used charcoal to make their eyes. True. Number C, Melinda did not show her snowman to anybody. True. Number D, the parents were happy to see Melinda's snowman. False. Number E, Melinda's mother and father said nothing to her. False. Number D, number C, you might have heard about snowmen. Where do you learn about them? Right fact do you know about them? Share your idea with the class. snowman को बारेमा केही फ्याक्ट लेख्नु छ, तपाईले थाहा भएको। यहाँ आन्सर यस प्रकार छ। Yes, I have heard about snowman. I learned about them on Google. The fact I know about them are given below. Number 1, the first snowman was built in the Middle Ages. Number 2, the tallest snowman was 122 feet, 122 feet tall. Number 3, Japan has a tradition of building snowman called Yukidaruma. Number 4, coil is traditionally used for a snowman eyes and mouth. Number 5, the largest snowball fight had 5,834 participants. 6 नम्बरमा छ, the largest snowman festival was held in Harbin, China. यो फ्याक्टहरु छ स्नोम्यान को बारेमा, अरु तपाईले थाहा भएको यसमा थप्न सक्नुहुन्छ। अब हामी ग्रामर 2 गर्छौं। नम्बर ए मा छ, put the jumbled word in the correct order to make meaningful sentence. यहाँ जम्बल वर्ड दिएको छ, यसलाई करेक्ट अर्डरमा एरेन्ज गर्नु छ। नम्बर ए छ, इंग्लिश सङ दे सिङ लास्ट इभिनिङ। म डाइरेक्ट एन्सर भन्छु। एन्सर, दे sang English songs last evening. Number B को आंसर, was Nanny preparing food in the morning? Number C, Answer: he did not go to school because of an illness. यस्तै डी नम्बरमा डी को क्वेशनको एन्सर रहेको छ they were doing yoga some hours ago. E को एन्सर छ didn't you call the meeting. नम्बर F, she played the madal in the concert. F नम्बरको एन्सर भयो. जी नम्बरको एन्सर रहेको छ the sun was shining this morning. B number, choose the correct option from the brackets to complete the sentence below. Number A, I joined a new job yesterday. यहाँ अप्सन दिएको छ, यहाँ व्हाइट कलरमा ग्रीन कलरमा छ, त्यो अप्सन छ, यसबाट एउटा हामीलाई चुज गर्नुस्. नम्बर बी, what were you doing at this time last Saturday? Number C, while I was washing the dishes, a dog came in. Number D, Gopi did not hear the phone ring. He was listening to loud music. यस्तै नम्बरमा छ the shop was closed when I got there. Number F, the teacher told us to stop what we were doing. Number G, did you find the book you were searching for? Number H, Meena was cutting vegetable when she cut her finger. Number I, when Namuna was watching TV, I turned the light off. Writing to A number, the jumbled word sentence below make a story, rearrange them to make a sensible. And jumbled word दिएको छ, यसले के बनाउँछ, एउटा स्टोरी बनाउँछ, यसलाई मिलाएर लेख्नु छ. नम्बर 1 मा हुन्छ a dog and her puppy live on a farm where there was a well. Number 2 मा हुन्छ the mother dog told the puppy not to go near the well or play around it. Number 3 मा हुन्छ one of the pups wondered why they should not go to the well and decide to explore it anyway. He went to the well, climbed up the wall and looked inside. Number 4 मा हुन्छ in there he saw his reflection and thought it was another dog. Number 5 मा हुन्छ the puppy saw his reflection which was doing whatever he was doing and got angry for imitating him. 6 number मा हुन्छ he decided to fight with the dog and jump into the well. There was no dog. 7 number मा हुन्छ he barked and swam until the farmer came and saved him. Number 8 मा हुन्छ the puppy had learned his lesson. Do it by yourself. Ask your parents about the most interesting and exciting thing that they had did in their childhood days. Share it with your classmate. अब यहाँ स्टोरी छ एउटा interesting childhood stories. And the most interesting or exciting things my parents did in their childhood is inventing imaginary worlds and character. With boundless creativity, they used to turn a simple cardboard box into a spaceship, a blanket into a cap, and a backyard into a jungle. In these imaginary worlds, they become superhero, explorer, or even magical beings with extraordinary powers. How this play, they not only entertain themselves but also develop important skills like creativity, problem solving, and social interaction. These imaginative adventures are not just fleeting moments of fun. They are building block of their developing minds, shaping their personality and creativity for years to come. The end. Sakyo. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to